Hi guys, the support team here with another programming video. This video will show you how to program the EL17 from a factory reset. To reset the product, press and hold the change and program buttons for 3 seconds. Notice that the display flashes and the time has defaulted to 0, with a dot flashing on number 1, which represents Monday. This indicates that the product has been reset. To set the correct day of the week, press the change button until a number between 1 and 7 has been selected. 1 will represent Monday, with 7 representing Sunday. Once the day has been set, press the program button to set the hour for the local time. Notice that the hour is flashing. This means that the hour can be changed by using the change button. Press the change button until the hour represents your current local time. Once the hour is set, press the program button to advance to setting the minutes. Notice that the minutes are flashing. This means that the minutes can be changed by using the change button. Once the minutes for the local time have been set, press the program button to advance to setting the first program. Notice how 5 dots are flashing. This means that the program is currently set to run from Monday to Friday. If you want to set the product to run 7 days a week, or even on a single day of the week, press the change button until the desired day or group is selected. Notice now that all 7 dots are flashing. This means that the program that is about to be set will run 7 days a week. To set the first program, press the program button. 2 dashes on the left-hand side of the display will flash. This means that the hour for your on time is ready to be set. Press the change button to set the starting hour for your program. Once you are happy with the starting hour that has been set, press the program button to advance to setting the minutes. Notice that the minutes are flashing. To set the minutes for your first program, press the change button. Once the minutes have been set, press the program button to advance to setting the off time. Notice how the display reads off on the right hand side. This means we are now setting the off time for the first program. Press the change button to set the hour for the first off time. Once you are happy with the starting hour for the first off time, press the program button to advance to setting the minutes. Notice that the minutes are flashing. To set the minutes for your program, press the change button. Otherwise, if you're happy with your current settings, press the program button. Notice that the display shows as on the right hand side for the next program. This is for a second program that can be added if necessary. If an additional program is required, follow the same steps used to set program 1. If a second program is not required, press and hold the program button until the local time is displayed. This will take you back to the main screen. Notice that the local time is shown on the display. The product will now switch on at the next scheduled program time. Remember to always leave the slider switch in the timed position if using as a timer. Otherwise, the unit will be permanently off or permanently on. Well, that's it for this video. We hoped this helped you in some way if you are struggling to program your product. Call us via our helpline for further assistance, or send us an email via our website at www.timeguard.com. See you later.